In this tutorial, we will learn how to import data from Excel files with multiple worksheets in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. As a workbook author, I want to create a dataset from my sales data, which is located in an Excel workbook. I'll begin by selecting Create and then Dataset. Then I will choose Drop Data File here or click to browse to navigate to my file. I'll select my Excel file and click Open. In this preview, I can see the different sheets available in this workbook. I can select individual sheets to import, like sales, products, or customers. Since I want to select all the sheets, I'll choose All Sheets and select OK. Now I see that 3 sheets are imported as 3 tables in the join diagram. They are joined because they have matching columns and Auto Join Tables is enabled. I can see the matching columns and the type of join that was created when I select the joins between the tables. For example, hovering over the joins for customers and sales, I see that customer ID was identified as the matching column, and for sales and products, I see that product ID is the matching column. An inner join is used for both sheets, which is what I want. Now that my data is imported, I can perform data preparation actions for the tables, such as transforming and enriching the data. I can return to the join diagram to add more data sources if needed. Now I can save this data set to create workbooks, share with other workbook authors, or to use as a self-service data model. Find additional videos and more resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence resources in the links below.